In this video, we are going to show you how to create a simple diagram in Word so that you can do your diagram exercises. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go to the Insert box, and what we want to insert is go to Shapes, and then we want to create a text box. So first, let's type a little number 1 for our first answer. Then we'll go up to Shapes, we'll go to Text Box, we'll create a nice little text box, something about this size, and then in here we can draw and do whatever. So if you notice the way Woods does stuff, right? So she has like a 1 and a 2, and then going down to a 3, for example. So we're going to do some very simple diagrams. So we'll just start by typing, right? So 1, give a little space, plus 2, and then we'll hit enter a couple times. We'll put a space, maybe 2 spaces, try to line it up, and then a 3. So we have those basic numbers in, then we just need to draw our nice little arrow. So up here we have our simple shapes, but all we really need is this arrow for right now. So we click on that arrow and we add it. Let's go ahead and just make it all the same color. Okay, so there we have a nice, neat text diagram. Text box that diagrams this particular sentence or argument. And then if the text box is a little too large, right, we have all this dead space here, then we can just simply go and resize it. If you resize it too much, stuff will flow weird, but we'll make it about this big, right? And so there's our number 1. Then we can go down and hit enter a few times, hit number 2, and then, let's give us another space. And then we can go and we can create another text box. So I'll go up to Insert, Shapes. This first one is Text Box. We'll do it and we'll do something a little bit more complicated, right? So we'll do 1 plus 2. Let's tab over a couple of times and do a 3 plus 4. And then we'll hit enter a couple times. We'll tab over to kind of the middle. Doesn't really matter. We'll throw ourselves a little 5 there. And then we can draw our arrows like so. Let's make all of them the same color. Then we'll go and we'll resize our diagram so that it fits nice and neatly. And then we can enter in number 3. So as you can see that we can make these diagrams pretty quickly and pretty simply by using these tools in Word. Anyway, hopefully you'll be able to use this guide to help use your answering your exercises for Unit 5 and forward in the class. If you have questions, please send me a direct message on our Slack. Thank you and have a good day.